In this video, we will download HD background videos, free from Pexels. Welcome to my channel, IT Web Path. Open Chrome browser and search for background video down free from Pexels. Here open the first link free computer video that you can use for your YouTube videos. By using this website, you can download various HD videos of different types. Scroll down. Here's a lot of different styles of videos available. I download this one. Click on Download tab. Download start. After download, you can use these backgrounds for making YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you feel this video informative, like it, and subscribe my channel.